Hey, я Olga from Russian for Fun. Welcome to lesson 9 of my super easy Russian course for complete beginners. Let's get straight to the point and review the letter R. R, which we met in the last lesson. By simply reading Russian male and female names with this letter. First, you try to read, then I'll go. Let's dive in. Great! It's Raya. Raya. Good. Next name. Right. It's Ira. Ira. Good job. Next name. Very well. It's Roma. Roma. Okay, now read this name. Da, it's Mark. Good. Next name. Da, it's Rita. Nice job. Let's continue. Da, it's Rina. Great. Next name. Fantastic. It's Artuur. Da, let's continue. Good. It's Kira. Da. Another name. Perfect. It's Timur. Excellent. Now let's play a little bit with some Russian names. We are gonna read the name and then say if it's she or he in Russian. We already know the word for he in Russian. Remember? Da, it's on. Again, on. Time to get to know the Russian word for she, then. Listen and repeat after me. Она. We pronounce she like она, but we write it as ona. Now let's read the next name and say on or она. Go ahead and read it out loud first. Da, correct. It's Раиса. Раиса. Now let's say, is it он or она? Он or она? Да, it's она. Она. Next name. Perfect. It's Мария. 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 Is it он or она? It's она. Great. Now read the next name. Да, it's Руслан. 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 Is it он or она? Correct. It's он. Let's go on. Да, it's Рустам. 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 Он or она? Да, он is correct. A couple more names. Awesome. It's Арина. 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 Is it он or она? Да, it's она. Next name. Да, it's Мирон. 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 Он or она? Да, он. Okay, now we know the words он and она. Very well, let's use them in simple sentences. First, let's say, she is at home. What's the Russian word for she? Да, that's right. It's она. And how do we say at home in Russian? Да, it's дома. 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 Okay, so what do we get? Go ahead, say it out loud. Exactly. Она дома. Ready for another one? Let's say she is eating cake. We already know the word for she very well by now. And it's да, it's она. Now, how do we say is eating in Russian? It's the same as in he is eating. Remember? Да, we had the phrase он ест, meaning he is eating. And now we just change the word he, он, to she, она, and have the sentence она ест. Well, all that's left is to remember how to say cake in Russian. We met this word in our previous lesson, and it has the new letter R in it. Does that ring a bell? Да, it's торт. Now it's time to say the whole phrase. She is eating cake. Can you put it all together? Try saying the whole phrase on your own. Super! Она ест торт. And again. Она ест торт. All right, time to learn a new word. This one is a little bit longer. Let's read it together. Mandarin. 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 And again. Mandarin. 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 Mandarin is just a Russian word for tangerine. Let's use this word mandarin in our phrase. She is eating a tangerine. Let's say it together. Она ест мандарин. Она ест мандарин. Once again, but more natural. Она ест мандарин. And again. Она ест мандарин. Good. Let's go on with another food word. Give it a try. You can read it. It's not difficult at all. Да, it's малина. 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 One more time. Малина. Малина. Malina means raspberry. And now let's use the word malina in our phrase. She is eating raspberry. Do you remember the rule for words ending with the letter A? Да, A changes to U. So we have малину instead of малина. And the phrase itself is Она ест малину. Let's read it more natural. Она ест малину. Она ест малину. Good job today. I hope the lesson was easy and helpful, and if it was, hit like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!